Is it recording?
Aye.
Look at me. Look at me. It's 11:15. It's 11:15 at night, and I've opened the back door, and look what ran into my house. Look at this. Look what I've got to deal with at night time. Right. Try to lure it out with bread. I'm not gonna lie to you. That fell on its arse. Oh, get it. Get the fuck out of here.
It's gonna fuck up the computer, you know.
And that is the little shit. I need...
Hit it?
Right. I'm not unmanly, but I'm not being funny. It's get. Lure it out there. Push it not upstairs, you little shit.
Grab it by its wings. Kill it, man. Just kill it. It's only a bird.
Kill it, what?
Slam on it. Grab its wings so it can't, like, flutter about. Like a little turd.
If it bites it, I'm gonna rip its fucking head off. Shut up.
Wait, I've got to go turn the light on so I can get put a recording of this.
I'm actually freaking out. I don't know what to do. Diego in my room.
Throw it out the window.
I swear down.
Open that window so it can get out.
There's like a million places in the world where you can hide now. My room's like a maze. Come here, motherfucker. You've crossed the line.
We've got it sustained. You know. Jesus Christ.
Have you seen what I've had to catch out of this friggin' house? Have you seen what I've had to do? It's a bird, that's what it is. Get the fuck out.